When you're ready, let them know.
I'm not ready yet. Don't you start.
Now, don't blow it.
God damn it.
Oh, stop! Hey, you got that one on camera too.
Why are we filming this part?
There. Ah! Get some power into it like I taught you.
Where does this one ever go? Piece of cake. I gotta get a wood guy for up here. That's how you do it.
That didn't look staged.
Set me up with a couple of pieces.
Yeah. Hey, look at this guy. Get one of me unloaded.